I wanted to share with you here. I had these two motherboards, CIS 530. I think it's an M598. They even have different models. This one has two ISS slots. This one just has one ISS slot. But the positioning of the rest, the only difference, as far as I noticed, is from here down. This one has 3 PCI and 2 ISS slots, and this one has 2 PCI and 1 ISS slot, and slightly positioned. Anyway, I got a 230 megahertz Pentium processor. It's already working here. Tested with 256 megabytes of RAM, 2 Pentiums 128, a K62 that also came from SUCAP, which I got from the recycling center. K62 500 plus. It's the K62 plus. I didn't even know this processor. It's working too. It came with the Pentium, and I even put it in without an active heatsink. I installed a dual core Celeron here, and I also got this board that came with the Pentium stuff, a 4th generation board, H81N. It was already in the pile for disposal, ready to be sent for recycling. Disassemble, dismantle. I'm not sure how they do it, if they structure it, remove it, I do not know. Melt it down. It even came missing the sound. So I will have to use a USB sound adapter, or in this case HDMI, to play the sound on the TV or monitor. I managed to recover it. The motherboard was okay. I didn't do anything extraordinary. It has a 4th generation 4.3 processor, and the cooling is at its minimum. I'll show you. It has 4 GB of RAM. And I also got these memory modules. Look at that. What a luxury. I had here, I don't know if you remember, I have a 4.5 DX266 that had 2 megabytes of RAM, and a DX4100 with 8 megabytes of RAM. So believe it or not, the AIDA memory works. Not all motherboards accept it anymore, but the AIDA memory works. I have this memory here. Where is it? This one is 32 megabytes. I confess to you that when I worked back in the 486 days, I didn't know the 32 EBO memory. I mean, I knew it, but I didn't know it worked on the 486. Back then, we only used it on P266 and onwards. So here I have 4 MB sticks. This one is also 16 MB. So we have 16 MB, 32 MB. That's it. These two here are also 4 MB. 4 MB. That's also 4 memory. This one is 8 memory. And I couldn't get this one to work. I do not know if it's specific to a model. It looks like it. Like an IBM board. An IBM motherboard. Well, anyway, I will do more tests here. And we'll soon post a video on the channel. Good morning to everyone. We're in this together.